Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by using an administrator account because the settings require elevated privileges. Once ready, open PowerShell as administrator. This is faster than navigating Control Panel. Run getMM agent to see memory compression status and available features. If you see memory compression set to true, proceed. If not, you can still follow steps to ensure it stays disabled. Make sure you note the current status so you can revert later if needed. Keep the session open for the next commands. You now disable compression directly. Enter disableMM agent memory compression in the elevated PowerShell. This command tells the memory manager to stop compressing pages. It does not delete compressed data until a restart or memory purge. Once done, run getMM agent again to confirm memory compression shows false. If the flag flips back or an error appears, note the error text. If the command succeeds but behavior persists, restart Windows to force the memory subsystem to finish by rebooting your PC so the memory manager clears compressed pages and operates without compression. Once restarted, run getMM agent one more time to ensure memory compression remains false. If something goes wrong, for example boot slowdowns or errors, check Event Viewer under System for Memory Manager or Kernel Warnings. Those logs point to conflicts with drivers or third-party memory tools. Make sure to revert with enableMM agent memory compression and reboot if disabling causes instability, and update drivers before retrying.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.